So, good evening, ma'am. My name is Tapti, and feel free to, tell me if there is any internet disconnection or anything.
Very good evening.
It's very often that it happens कि मेरे यहाँ का internet stable नहीं होता है, and it causes a lot of glitches. But my name is Tapti, and I speak on behalf of Teach Smart. And as you know, Teach Smart is an all-female teachers group, and we have established ourselves somewhere in October last year. We are about 3 members crossed on the Facebook group, and we are over 150 members crossed on the WhatsApp group. And it's been such a pleasure, to have teachers from all walks of life, to have every and anyone from handwriting experts to Rubik's Cube mentors to academic teachers to Zumba teachers. We have such a variety on the group. Like, it's very easy to just come on the group, ask, okay, I'm looking for so-and-so teacher. Is there somebody available? And there's always someone available. So let's start with your introduction. Tell me your name and what do you do?
Well, Tapti, thanks to send me a link and add me in the Teacher Smart group, Teach Smart group. I am Padmashri Ballal. I am situated in Pune, and I am principal of the Head Over Heels School. So I come with an experience of being principal, coordinator, vice principal in many other schools. I also used to conduct workshops, though I conduct workshops in-house right now also. But yes, I conduct workshops on teaching methodology, on sensitizing teachers, or new way or new age parenting. So there are few things that I keep doing: planning lessons plan. How do you, combine your curriculums and integrate it with other subjects. So these are my forte. I do all that. And yes, I'm a passionate teacher more than being a principal. I'm a passionate teacher and I love teaching. So that's how I got connected. Wherever teach is there, I think I belong to that family. Teach. So this word teach really attracted me, and so I wanted to be part of the team.
So when did you join?
I'm enjoying the way we are in.
When did you join Teach Smart?
I joined this. Sorry?
When did you join Teach Smart?
You're frozen.
Hello? Am I audible?
I have joined this group almost 1.5 months back.
Okay, that's a long time. Have you attended any of our webinars? Have you, participated?
Yes, I can hear you. Yeah. So Nishu has sent me this saying.
Yeah, continue.
Yeah. So she has sent me saying that, ma'am, would you like to be part of it? And as I told you, wherever teach is there, I want to be there. So I said, surely, I would like to be part of this group. And yes, I don't regret. I am happy that I am part of this group, and I can see that so many teachers are working in different fields. And yes, my intention, or rather my objective of being a teacher, is to change the education system a bit. I can't change the formulas, I can't change the design curriculum, but I can always change the methodology of putting it across. So that's my caliber, and I am satisfactorily doing it because I can see my parents' review and happy children learning. So that makes me more confident that with the way we are doing our planning and the way we are executing it, the methodologies and all are very nice. So here I would not forget to mention my mentor, who is late Madhvi Kapoor, who was an educationist. So she was the one who showed me or introduced me to think different than being traditional way of teaching. And she actually ignited the seed. She actually ignited the light, the spark, which was in me as a passionate teacher. And then, yes, I got it. So now, even when I'm saying that I am a teacher 24/7, I actually dream about how to teach. I actually dream about how can I change the world in teaching world. I actually spend my cooking time in, thinking about different methods of teaching and different ways of what are the challenges teachers are facing, what are the challenges children are facing. And so we have come up with a school which is an ICSE board school. It is along with Kavita Krishnamurthy, who is the founder of that school, the Head Over Heels school.
Okay.
Okay, so it is at Urli Devachi. She has been a founder for the school since, I mean, today also she is, but she has run the school for 10 years. And it was pre-primary and daycare center. Once I joined hand, then we scale up to the higher grades, which was her dream. And I feel that I get a platform there to execute my methodologies and my understanding about teaching. And that's the best part. So I think I am going to be there in the Head Over Heat school forever.
So how long has it been since you've been principal there?
This is my 4th year.
Oh, okay, that's a long time.
Yeah. So this is my 4th year, and yes, today this year we have grade 7, and every year we are going to scale up with one more grade. So every year, so we are planning to have it till grade 12.
Right. Yeah, makes sense. So, ma'am, I wanted to know, when was the last time you went on a date with someone?
Date with?
With anybody, with your loved one, any of your loved ones?
Well, I make a point to go on a date with my husband very regularly, because that's the time where we can spend time with each other. So I own a farmhouse at Mulshi.
Okay.
So every Saturday, Sunday we go there. Most of the time it's me and my husband. So yes, we spend time together, but going on a date, it has been long otherwise. I have young girls who plan, mama, let's go there, let's have street food, let's have this. So I keep going with my niece and my daughters. But yes, going on a date where you have to talk with someone or talk about your passion has been after a long time.
So we are glad that you have made it to this platform and you're on a date with us.
Yes, in fact, I was excited when it came to date. I said, let's feel that. How are they going to date me? So that was really exciting.
Yeah.
Date was a nice word.
Yeah. So how we came up with this idea was, Women's Day is celebrated when actually there should be no day to celebrate women. Women should be celebrated throughout. And, we got along and we said that we have a core team now. We have a bunch of teachers who have volunteered and who have, become a core team members of our group. So we're about 5-6 of us, and we said, let's do a month of celebration with the women, because if you cannot show them your love, if you cannot celebrate them for long enough, then it doesn't make sense. एक दिन में सिर्फ उनको बोलना thank you, या एक दिन को सिर्फ उनको बोलना कि अरे आप बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो, that does not make sense. So let's do it a whole month, and that's how Coffee and Me came along. That
yeah, that's a nice idea, I must say.
Yeah, like how do you get to know more about teachers apart from, of course, what they do so passionately? You've got to know how a person is. You've got to know how their personality is. You've got to know how their daily life is, as a teacher, as a mother, as a sister, as a wife, so it's just that. So
so it is, it's no eating, no meeting. So it's Coffee and Me is a very nice word. So you have something where you connect, you offer. That has been the hospitality. But yes, mutual means you have prepared your own coffee. But that's nice. Coffee is again, to charge you or also give you some energy to talk more. But this idea is really nice. I understand, unless and until you have an eye contact or face-to-face talk, you don't feel connected. Correct. You definitely don't feel connected. So online school is happening, but we are not satisfied. The only thing is that touch is missing.
Correct.
Right? So for a team building also, we have some events going on in school, so that there is a rapport built between two teachers or many teachers together. So we should have this. In fact, we should have a panel. I mean, I'm just suggesting, where 3-4 teachers come together and they talk maybe once in a month or twice in a month, so that the team is enlarging and nobody's losing interest in the team. We should come up with these ideas.
Correct.
And education world is not very big. It's very small, where teachers get connected. We really don't need any pehchan, we don't need any pehchan. When you say she's a teacher, the qualities are more or less same. You get connected very soon, because जो मुझे पसंद होता है वो आपको पसंद होता है. If I say I am in love with children and so you are, so that's how we are teachers. So when you say that I understand children properly or I can understand what is going in their mind, probably you can also say because you are also a teacher. So you really don't need any pehchan or introduction. You say you are a teacher and you feel that you belong to me.
Correct.
You know?
Yeah.
So a teacher says, I am a teacher, so you say, oh, she's from my, ye mere biradri, she's in my family. So it's very easy for a teacher to accept a teacher. That yes, this idea will work. We should have 3-4 teachers or 3-4 members or 3-4 colleagues together and take an agenda where we come up and actually bring some change in the education, because it's not easy. It's not like previously we used to do. हमारे टाइम पे ऐसा होता था, हमारे टाइम पे होता था, वो यहाँ नहीं चलता. Is what I feel. You know, when you want a practical based learning, how will that practically work here? That reminds me an instant, Tapti, I would like to mention you here that this time in Maharashtra, Pune, we had celebrated. Every year we celebrated, but recently on 19th was Veer Shivaji Jayanti.
Correct.
Okay. So we celebrated and we have a show time as a class where half an hour children are performing because they are missing the stage. So they perform at home and we all sit and watch them doing their 20 minutes or 10 minutes show. So when they were performing, and that day was all about Veer Shivaji, Veer Shivaji, Veer Shivaji. Then I had a class in grade 6 which talk about creative writing. And how do I integrate Veer Shivaji? How is this Veer Shivaji going to, this children will understand Veer Shivaji. So I told them that today you are Shivaji. Aaj ki duniya ke aap Shivaji. In this era, you are Shivaji of this era. And now you write about yourself. What are you going to do? What are the few duties that you have to do? And children came up with fantastic write-ups. So if teachers come up with these ideas like this, you know, because Shivaji the, to Shivaji ho kyun nahi sakte?
Correct.
Hey, how is history? How is history related to the present? So you relate that history to the present. And why can't we do that?
Correct.
पहले जो bell bottom पहनते थे, the plazos are more or less like bell bottoms, right?
Correct.
So history repeats. आज भी वही आ रहा है. The fashion is it. वो अनारकली पहनती थी. Yeah. So when in fashion also it is repeating. For character also you can repeat. So teachers should be that smart to relate the topic with the current situation. Then it becomes practically or application based learning. But now Shivaji, you talk Shivaji as a different identity. But how do you connect with Shivaji? How do you connect with Mahatma Gandhi when you know the history? How do you connect with Hitler?
Correct.
Okay. What are the world wars? What are the wars? Now we don't think that we are going to have wars like Hiroshima and Nagasaki. These wars are not going to be, but there are still wars happening.
Yeah.
How do you relate? How do you tell what are the consequences?
No, true. And absolutely. I mean, the wars that will happen now will be absolutely different. There can be cyber wars. There can be, wars without weapons. There can be virus wars. There can be anything. So right now, if we, as you said, if we inculcate what we have seen in the past and we inculcate that in the present, then I think there is going to be nothing like it. Ma'am, your screen has frozen. Hello?
Your voice is breaking. Connection problem.
Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Your screen is blank, ma'am.
I can see. Yeah. Now we got connected.
Yeah.
So your voice is breaking. So that's how it is, we need to change the education because this generation is totally different. And my whole interest is how can we join our hands together to change the education system? That's the urge and that's the need. So we need a team where we can put forth our understanding, our experience, and we tell them that this is what. The history has not been changed. It has been decades and decades together that we are learning the same history.
Right.
But my pain is we should change the history. The curriculum should be designed in such a way. Knowledge is different. Now when they read about Shivaji, that's their choice. But do we really need them to learn the answers related to this World War and the... I think they should change. Science we understand, maths we understand, but history should change a little bit. There are fantastic stories. So stories are also fine. English is also fine, but history is something which should change. And you know, every time it should be modernized, because now these children are going to a computer age overall. So it should modernize the more, and learning should be easier and happy. Application based or experiential based, then children will enjoy more. They don't want to write. The pain is children are not writing. Ma'am, my children are not writing. Come on, now see the basic, Tapti, the basic way of writing to teach writing is trace and write. Trace and write. And I'm just against that. I don't like that. Why? Because the child is learning the formation first. Then you force the child to trace on those dots. It is not easy to trace on those dots and make it perfect. But none of the school is understanding this. Tracing and writing is a big task for a child. And so they are losing interest. But every school have a textbook or a workbook where the child is actually writing A with trace. How are you going to inculcate that interest? In fact, it is so much easier when you say up and down and cross in the tent, up and down and a cross in a tent.
Correct.
They do this and they will write 100 A's, trust me. They will write, I am saying all this with experience, hundreds of A's they will write. But when tell them to trace and write, in fifth way they'll say, no ma'am, I just can't write. Why? Because their fine motors are not yet developed to hold the pencil very sturdily and trace it on the dots. But who is realizing that? Who is empathizing with those children? None of us. I think we should. As a pre-primary teacher, everyone should empathize and give that trace and write. But all the sheets, all Hindi, Devanagari Lipi, it's not very easy to write.
Correct.
But this child who is just 5.5 is struggling to write Jha. And teacher is making a big circle around it because the Jha has come outside. Jha has standing line, it has sleeping, there are two curves, then again you have a tail, then you have a short line, then you have a long line. See what is happening in the mind, what is the thought process when the child is doing that. And still the teacher is expecting that Jha should be nice. So nobody is recognizing the effort that child is putting. So that's called empathizing, empathizing. So pre-primary teachers, when we say hats off to pre-primary teachers, I mean it, hats off to them. But what if they try empathizing their thought and encourage and motivate them more for whatever they have done and what not done? Because 80% is done, 20% is not done. We can see only the black dot on white sheet. We never see the whole white sheet, right?
Correct.
That mindset, I want to have workshops with teacher and tell them, okay, please connect with the child's brain and heart. Correct. I want that exposure where I can talk to teachers and have pre-primary teachers saying that us per kya beetती hai.
Correct.
So we are sensitive. For us, just taking a small example, for us to understand now, if I am at this age and you tell me to learn French, it's going to be difficult as the child learning ABCD in junior KG or senior KG.
True.
Right? And then you say कि A भी नहीं आता है, B भी नहीं आता है. 2 is so simple. It isn't. 2 is not simple. As difficult. Gamma is very difficult for a 9th standard to make. That gamma sign, 9th standard word density and gamma, it is very difficult. It's just an art to do it. But to understand that is very difficult.
Correct.
Infinity is very simple. But to understand infinity is very difficult. So want teachers to understand that it is not easy. It is very, very difficult to understand that. So yes, I mean, there are my pain points, they are, but I don't know how will I do that. And when I see my children struggling, I say, nay, how do I work? So that's why I say I work 24/7 saying, grade 7 ka kya problem hai? What is that difficult? Pythagoras theorem difficult. How many tiles in the room? How can you sit on a chair and imagine the number of tiles in a room?
Correct.
How it's going to be applicable ways? Why don't you take the child to the room? My school has 1:15 teacher-child ratio. Why? So that that teacher can explain the concept clearly. Right? It's not just that you teach it. It's very easy to write on the board and do the sum. That's just algorithm. If the child is able to do the sum correctly, they know algorithm. But what about the concept? Not all know. Even the one who is scoring full marks will not know the concept. They know how to do it because they have practiced it a lot.
Correct.
But this how many tiles, this centimeter, that rectangle, there are so many pain points and children are going through it. Why education cannot be interesting? Because the way we are taking it to the children, how are we presenting it to children? We are not presenting the way we can. So when we understand this, I think we can convince teachers because they are more convincing. And I am saying out of my experience because that really it is a pain for me as well. If children are not able to do it and they are not able to cope up, you can't see, first of all, you can't measure. It's not a frame where you have to fix all 9 standard in this frame and then they are out. So there's no frame design. But what we all are trying to do is there's a frame, there's a scaffold design where you fit your children there and then yes, you are right. You fit it here and you are right. You fit it here and so my thought is not that. Evaluation should be for teachers and not for children. Till the date I say so. So problem bolte system mein hai. But system को थोड़ा change करना वो हमारे हाथ में है. Digestive system बोलता है कि eat everything healthy. Digestive system is saying eat everything healthy. Eat after every 2 hours. For how many of us are following that system to keep our own digestive system? Are we all doing that? No, we aren't. But when it comes to responsibility, we say system ka karan hai. System is asking for it. So it's better to blame and not to claim. Right? So you claim. हम स्कूल जा रहे हैं, so we are second mother. Teachers are second mothers. We say that the children are second mother. Teachers are second mother. Who is a mother? Who is a mother? Mother is the one who says, ये मेरा बच्चा है. Mother is the one who says, I love my child unconditionally. Mother is the person who says, I am ready to give up everything for my child. Mother is the one who says, beta sab tere liye hai. Mother is the one who says, मैं रात को भी जागूंगी पर तू आराम से सो जा. Right? As a teacher, are we? I don't think so. We aren't. Right? What we are doing is, we are just giving a hug and saying, आप पढ़ लो, आप प्यार से पढ़ा लो. How can you be a mother if you are not able to empathize with the child? When you are unable to understand the pain of your child? When you claim that I am next to you, don't worry my child, you go on performing, मैं खड़ा हूँ ना, मैं हूँ ना. How many of us says that? There are very few teachers and that's why there are very best teachers in the world. ये मेरी favorite teacher है. Even if the child is in 10th standard, she or he will still like the one who was in grade 1 or UKG. Why? Because that time when the child actually need nurturing or safety or some confidence, that teacher gave that child that confidence. और वो बोलता है वो teacher बहुत best थी, बहुत अच्छी थी. And always pre-primary teachers are remembered and higher grade teachers are teased. ऐसे सब चिढ़ा. Why? Why? Because we don't connect. ऐसा क्यों? बच्चा बच्चा है.
Correct.
So there are many pain points actually, Tapti. I would like to grab the opportunity with you and tell you that that's a hope that since we are a group and y'all are the founders of this group, I want to bring that change. I just want to sensitize teachers. How I can do it, please guide me.
I will do that, definitely.
That's why I volunteer. I want to be.
No, definitely. We need more teachers like you. There's no two ways about it. And to have an opportunity to actually collaborate with you, have you, do a workshop with us, we'll want nothing more than that. And I'll make sure that you, whenever we have the free slot, which we do, we'll give it to you. And this is something that I personally haven't thought about before. So my mom used to be a teacher. My nanny used to be a teacher. So it's all in the genes. And so right now I am actually, I'm a biotechnology graduate myself. And for a very brief period in between, I did consider teaching. And right now what I'm doing with TeachSmart is, why I actually involved myself with TeachSmart is, I involved myself as a, like a content strategist, or, to help expand the group basically. And why I chose TeachSmart, or why TeachSmart instantly connected with me, is because it was teachers. It's plain and simple. For me, it was like, if there is some way that I can connect myself to this profession, be it by hook or crook, I would, because when you see it from a student's point of view, you have a lot of changes that you want to make, but you never see it from a teacher's point of view. When I remember I was when I was looking for how the pandemic has affected teaching, or how has it affected teachers, all Google showed me was a student's point of view, that students are affected in such a manner, students are affected in that manner, and this is what students can do, this is what students cannot do. And nobody was talking about how it has affected the other profession. What about the other side of the table? Nobody was talking about that, because we had teachers who literally, who have taken practical classes, taken offline classes all their lives, and they have made a switch to the online platform in seconds, and to learn, this is an art in itself, to be virtual, to be taking classes with as much enthusiasm virtually, to be to make sure that the class is present, to make sure that every student gets what you're doing. Because offline it's easy ना, आप desk पे जाके बोलो भाई बेटा ये गलत है, ये सही है, ऐसे correction होगा, it's very easy. Online आप क्या करोगे? Online you cannot go to their desks, ask them कि अरे कैमरा घुमाओ मुझे देखने दो आपने क्या किया है. It's very difficult to, I've heard
it's much difficult. It is much difficult. Yes.
I've even heard that, it's difficult to have their cameras on. They don't even keep their cameras on anymore. And it's
at higher grades, yes, they don't keep. And when there is no response, how do you talk?
Yeah.
It feels that sometimes there's no satisfaction, then you feel कि नहीं हुआ है, ये पढ़ाई नहीं हुई है. I mean, this topic is not covered. Whether they have understood, there's always a doubt. When there is a doubt, there is unsatisfaction. You actually don't feel that you have taught.
No, absolutely. And when my mom used to teach, she used to get these papers home for corrections, and we used to correct half of them, and used to help her out, and it was a blast, honestly. And this is something that I've been doing as a child. I used to, मैं क्या करती थी, as a 3rd, 4th grade, I was still a kid. मैं 4th standard में जाके ना 3rd standard वाली books जो है ना, वो मैं बेचती नहीं थी, वो मैं रखती थी. क्यों? क्योंकि I'll take a red pen and I'll correct it. Okay, this used to be something that I used to do as a child. Yeah, I'm also a teacher. I will play teacher with my invisible kids, and I will correct their books, and I'll make corrections and everything. It used to be very easy back then. But now, as you evolve and as you see, and if your own mother, if your own nanny has been in the profession, I myself was giving a demo at a tutorial once or twice. I did interview for being a teacher,
Okay.
and it was a very surreal experience, and at the same time it was like, how will I manage, because I'm not dealing with kids of yeah, हालांकि kids of all age groups will be a difficult lot, because it takes different
Oh,
kind of a
yes.
mindset to teach all of the age groups. But back when I was giving a demo, I was giving demo for 11th standard kids, 12th standard kids, and I was like, यार in 11th and 12th standard मैं कितनी चंट थी, तो अभी ये लॉट तो कैसा ही होगा, अभी मैं कैसे करूंगी. But somehow there was this one math professor of mine, and I spoke to him that what, I'm considering teaching. And he said, see, if you're doing it for money, or if you're doing it for कि बैकअप हो जाएगा, कुछ और नहीं है तो टीचिंग कर लूंगी, तो डोंट डू इट. This is my दिल से advice to you, because you won't be able to succeed in whatever you're doing. But if you're doing it because you have a passion for it, if you're doing it because this is all you want to do, then go for it, because in the end they are students, they are just kids like you were. They have dreams like you did, and they are as volatile as you were. So you will manage, you will get through. Once they see what you can do or what you have the potential to do, they will come around. So it is not going to be the most tough task of your life. But again, don't do it because it's a backup, because teaching can never be your backup. And that's when I went ahead, and हालांकि उस बार कैसे हुआ था कि हम मतलब मैं सिलेक्ट हो गई थी, एंड उसके डायरेक्ट बाद हम शिफ्ट हो गए. आई वाज इन दुबई एंड वी हैड टू shift to Mumbai because my dad had retired, so I couldn't take up the job. But then TeachSmart showed up, and I somehow got the opportunity to stay close to teaching while doing what I like, which is writing. And so that's what TeachSmart actually comes from. So when Nishu ma'am had made this group, she's the founder of this group, she had a very simple agenda कि हमको, how do we serve the nation? How do we serve the most noble profession of all time? We need teaching to keep up with the technological times that are ahead of us, right? So we need to find out the pain points, and we need to find technological solutions to it. We need teachers who are still depending on word of mouth, who are still depending on ठीक है teachers अच्छा बोलेंगे, parents अच्छा बोलेंगे, and we'll get more work. But there are some teachers, there are many teachers actually आज के date में, who don't have their own website, who have no idea as to how to go about social media and promote themselves, because it's been decades of relying on word of mouth. No, it's
Exactly.
absolutely, this is how it has been traditionally.
Technology, I'm also not very good with technologies, but this is like demand of the hour, so let us do it. Jo dikhega wo bikhega. Why not have? So I don't want to sell anything, but I want to bring that change. My objective has always been, you may say that I'm boasting, or probably I am trying to say that unless and until I show myself, how would you know that how I am?
Correct.
So I am not praising myself. So it's a team. My team is so well equipped with all these things, which is called humanity. So I only believe जो तुम्हारे पास होगा वही तुम दे सकोगे. If you are there to give and give and give, you will only give what you have. You cannot give what you do not have. Things that you does not have, you cannot give. So why politics are there in school? I have gone through politics also. Why it is there in school? Why? Because you all don't know what humanity is. You talk about spirituality, but do we really know what is spirituality? You talk about holistic development. What actually means holistic development, right? So when we say parenthood, parenthood is a word. Childhood is a word. Why teacherhood is not a word is just striking me now. Why teacherhood is not a word? Why? Because teacher seems to be perfect, right? Childhood is exploring and learning. Parenthood is again exploring and learning, because you're not qualified for parenting. You don't take any degree, but you become a parent without a degree, right? So when you become a parent without a degree, can you become a teacher without a degree? No, you are not allowed. You have to learn subjects like child psychology. You have to learn pedagogy. You have to learn classroom management. You have to learn early childhood management. Why these are compulsory? Because there are hundreds of people who are going to look upon you as a trust, okay, as a perfect person. How many of us are that perfect? Again, talking to you, coming back to this topic, where, you know, on Teachers' Day, the only professions make all the professions, and that's teacher. How? The reason we all don't know, but do we really know? Do I really know that CA, I have in my this, that I have made a CA, I have made a doctor, I know that I have made an engineer, I have someone who have done architect also. But do I know the formulas of being an architect? No. Do I know a formula of being an engineer? No, I don't. Being a doctor? No, I don't. But then how did a teacher make architect? How did a teacher made a doctor? Through the holistic development. Now, when you talk about holistic development, all teachers will always say it's about mental development, it's about physical development, it's about spiritual development. But spiritual, mental, and development of what? Of whom? Of a child. Okay, it's never as a group. When we say each child is different, we mean the spiritual development of that child, the physical development of that child, the emotional development of that child. Now, how can you do with that child? By knowing, by putting that rapport and knowing the child beyond what they are. So you, as a teacher, you should be able to know that yes, he's good at physical, but emotional help he needs. He is very good. She's very good at emotional, but I think he needs some mental help. And similarly, you guide your children in the direction, and you say that now you are fit for engineering. Now you are fit for doctorate. Now you are fit for a creative writing. Now you are fit as an artist. That is holistic development, and not only saying spiritual, mental, and physical. These are just a term. When I say I have to develop Padma Shri holistically, then my achievement for Padma Shri would be different goals.
Correct.
Okay? Will not be same for the class as whole. So only those teachers can bring change in the person. And when you know the strength, when you know their weaknesses, then only you can help the child to grow in same direction. This is not happening. I can see till the age of 45, the person is still thinking, what should I do as my profession? What can I do as my livelihood? Okay, what will I do that will serve my living? And this is only happening in India. I am not saying that India is being a rich culture. सोने की चिड़िया क्यों बोलते? पैसा इसलिए नहीं बोलते. Because the culture, the Sanskriti, the tradition, the writings, संत ज्ञानेश्वर, संत तुकाराम के writings क्या है? एकनाथ जी के क्या writings है? Writing means the thoughts. They are so brilliant. So we are rich. But all others have taken. Now you will see videos where they are doing power yoga. Where did this yoga come from? From India. When you say that ये लोग सब प्राणायाम और महामृत्युंजय मंत्र जप कर रहे, where did it come from? From India. Sanskriti was from India. But what we are thinking, we are having this. Why? Because we are unable to keep it the way we want. हम अपने कल्चर और हेरिटेज को संभाल के नहीं रख सके, इसलिए कोई और लेकर चला गया. And now they know the power of this. So हम क्या कर रहे हैं? What are we doing? Holistic development. Saying holistic development and making a good citizens of India. कितने लोग रहेंगे इंडिया में? All are going to be good citizen and going to go overseas. It's a nice write-up where I think कौन सा politician का बच्चा अपने देश में पढ़ रहा है? Right. Just give me one example कि कौन से politician का बच्चा अपने देश में पढ़ रहा है? They all are you know, earning and learning overseas. So, I mean, if we don't bring this to parents, parenting, what type of parenting is happening? पैसा है तो status है तो बच्चा ये करेंगे, comparison. See, we are talking about majority. I am not saying all does that, but majority of them are with this thought. Tapti, this is my pain. I am just trying to express my pain because I want to bring that change. The child is going through so many challenges, so many challenges. ये क्या है? Trans, I mean, that is a different level. Parenting की एक book पढ़ो यार, एक, only one book, and you will know that what the child is facing just to keep you happy. You say that you are being a mother, you are unconditional love. No, the child is loving you unconditionally. Just to keep you happy, what the child is going through.
Correct.
The child can't force you to do anything, but you can from morning till evening, till the child goes to bed. Night dress pehno, brush karo, do reading, switch off the light, till he or she is in the bed, is just following instructions. Ma, main kahan hu? The child is yet looking, where am I? If I am you, then where is me? But hum koi nahi hai. We all are mothers. We all do that. But there's a time. How do you put forth? 24 hours खाली instructions सुनना and then you say, तुम ये सोच नहीं सकते? इतना तुमको दिमाग नहीं है? 12 साल के हो गए, अभी तक तुमको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है? 12 साल का मैं पहले कभी हुआ ही नहीं था. This is my first experience of being 12 years old. How would I know? How would I know कि 12 साल में क्या होता है? Puberty का phase. Parents को समझ में आता है कैसे handle किया जाता है? Curiosity. Very, very curious brains. Very, very curious brains. These children are very, very curious. How do you handle them? Only through complaints? No. We have children who, you know, whom we deal with and see how beautiful they are as a citizen. Though they are very young, 10 years old and 11 years old, but I can say that they are different. They are face in the crowd. I can say it very loudly that they are face in the crowd. I can pick up that this is the child who has been taught by us or, you know, in our school. Because the whole curriculum from nursery till the grade, it has all been designed so that level wise ऐसे ऐसे होना चाहिए. Punishments? What are punishments? Why time out? Every school is practicing time out. Why time out? जरूरत नहीं है. Talk. Face to face talk करो. Why do you give time out? Do you really require the child to have time out? Give good consequences. Go and stand outside the teacher's room. Give them something constructive punishments. If you so call punishment, give them something constructive. Build them otherwise also. Outside our classrooms, everything is painted black, you know, it's like a black board. I would really like to, I will share it after this conversation. I will share all the links. You please go through the way we are doing it. So we have kept a black, even if the child is out and does not want to attend the class, can go out and express anger, laughter, whatever, you know, in words and then come back. Right? Because that's the time when you really want to hear. Ab kabhi kabhi, you and me, I am sure you will resonate that kabhi kabhi ऐसी बातों पे हंसना आ जाता है. मुझे तो आता है, I mean, without any reason. And then I'll feel कि इतना मैं क्यों हंस रही. ऐसे क्लासरूम में होता है and it is so contagious कि एक रो रहा है तो दूसरा, एक हंस रहा है तो दूसरा हंस रहा है, तीसरा हंस रहा है. रोते हैं तो अकेले रोते हैं, हंसना है तो it goes, you know, all. Correct. And it passes from first bench to last bench. And then teacher gets upset. Why are you laughing? What is so funny about the class? Why can't the teacher also laugh and say, yeah, this really changed. Mausam badal gaya. Why can't? Right? If I am sure if you practice this from 1 year, first year, second year, third year, बच्चे को समझ में आता है कि this is the normal way of behavior. What we are doing, you know, first year, second year, the school is not good. The child is going to the another school. Third, fourth in that school, then the child is changing and going to fifth and sixth. Pura confused. Nobody is claiming, isko blame karke nikle, usko blame karke nikle, isko blame karke nikle. Where are we? parents, where are we? Why it is so difficult to tackle a child? Child actually बोलते हैं कि इतना सा मोल्ड है, एक आटे का ये है, जैसा चाहो वैसा मोल्ड हो सकता है, और उसके पीछे एक ही रीजन है कि वो आपको खुश देखना चाहता है, whether it is teacher, whether it is parents, or whether it is grandparents. Why can't we connect with that child? No, then they start taking advantage of us. Come on, you should know balance, where to pull the string and how far you have to pull, how strong you have. You should know that, because you are not child, you are now adult. You can come down. The child cannot come up to your level. But for you to come to this level is easier because you have gone through this phase. The child cannot understand what you are going through, but you can definitely understand what the child is going through. But none of us, I am not only saying teachers, I am saying none of us as a parent, as a human, none of us try to understand. Rishte kharab ho rahe. The topics are so ke rishte kharab honge. Joint family nahi hai. How would you say ke dada dadi ka pyar kaisa hota hai? And then you write a essay on my grandmother. Do you really want your child to write grandmother? Child cannot write. I'm telling you, the child will not write. You tell the child to write something that the child has. Come on, everyone, draw a scenery of a beach. Everyone have their own way because they have visited beach. If not, give them experience and then tell them to write. But we don't do that. It is so simple. You have to write about your grandmother. Arey, come on, my grandmother is not pious. How will I write my grandmother is pious? She's not. She loves to go for parties. She loves to read. She loves to dance. She's not. Why do you have my grandmother is pious or my grandfather is pious? Do you really mean? And the child says, nahi hai, par kyun likho? So fir rato. And then get marks. So these are few examples. You know, I'm trying to tell you that kaise ho raha hai and how can we bring this change? I really don't know, but I want to. I want to. I don't know how, but I want to. That's called, you know, sensitizing teachers. All are doing their job. I'm not blaming anyone. That's the system requires it, you know. But 7th standard tak to hum kar hi sakte hain. 8, 9, 10 formula exam aage. Formula exam go ahead. But by then you have already made a human, right? The citizen is already developed by grade 7. And the child will go ahead with the strength. If the things are passionate for him, he is definitely going to do well. He's definitely going to do well. So there are so many, you know, rapport building. It's not very easy. How do you build the rapport? So teaching methodology. Kaise? Teaching methodology should be connecting. So you only have teaching in your hand to build that rapport. How do you build? So if there is an issue, you have a different counselor in your class, in your school. Why the child should go to a counselor? Why can't teacher counsel? Yeah. When I say, wherever there are challenges, when I say challenges, differently able children, then you go to a counselor, I agree. Because that really needs some medication, some techniques, some expertise. But choti si cheez ke liye, I am telling this child very often, but the child is not listening. Go to the counselor. Go to the principal. Why? I don't know. Why do they send? Why can't you deal with your child? Haven't been your child. Would have you sent? Go tumhare neighbor ke ghar jao. Kyun nahi? You practice what you preach. Just don't be a preacher. ऐसे करो, वैसे करो, वैसे करो. कर लिया आप. तो आप that reflects. और बच्चे, they are so pure, so innocent, they are so transparent. और वो एक मिरर के, it reflects. हमारा जो negativity है ना, उनके ऊपर reflection दिखता है. I mean it, ताप्ती, वो reflection दिखता है बच्चे के पास. They start, you know, they instead of attracting, they start repelling. They don't come close to you. The aura do not get connected. It is a different science. Aura science is different, but trust me, they do not connect. And I have read about the auras also. Why? Because these were my pain points. So wherever I can approach, I wanted to approach and get connected to children. कि नहीं, अगर बच्चों के साथ, what is the biggest asset of a family, of a parent, is your child. You want to give everything that you have earned for that child, right? तो आपने उस टीचर के हाथ में आपका बच्चा देता, नहीं इसको मारो, कैसे मारो, नहीं आप मार के समझाओ. Instead, there are parents who says, ma'am, you say it once and the child will do it. That is what you have to achieve. The parent should say, ma'am, no, we tried a lot, ma'am. Just write a sentence saying that you do it and the child will do it. And we have parents saying that and we do it and they say, see, this is from your teacher. And the child says, okay, then I'm ready to do. This is wow, this is Eureka. Wow, I got it. I achieved. ये certificate से कम नहीं है. This is the moment where you should cherish as a teacher. Yes, this child is able to build this rapport and I'm able to communicate and he's ready or she's ready to listen and also follow my instructions. नहीं सुनता है. So being a principal, I have always faced as a coordinator also. No, this child will not listen, this child. So with this mindset, I'm not all for teachers, I'm for child then. Because I have this mindset, right? So मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि teachers, you try a little more, try to make a rapport. No, ma'am, doing everything. No, you have not done enough. You need to do more. As a teacher, you need to do more. And then they say, Padma ma'am, let this child be with you. मेरे साथ रहेगा तो the child is more be happier, you know. कुछ गलती करो और पद्मा मैम के रूम में चले जाओ. Better, because we enjoy more there. I will not be punishing the child. Instead, I will be talking, I will be giving books, I will be giving worksheet. Maybe I will be playing with that child. If the child is with me, I will be doing that. And the child is more happy. Ma'am, can I go to Padma ma'am's room? Aaja. So they learn, of course they will learn. कुछ नहीं तो एक अच्छा human, अच्छा citizen तो बन ही जाएगा. So in my school, we always have workshop. Which every teacher, whatever experience they are, they have to undergo this workshop, which talks less about the methodology, but talks more about being a passionate teacher. Okay? And we give instance, we give them examples and situation, how they were to deal with it. After this course training or course session, then only the teacher is allowed to perform in the class, otherwise no. So that's the strategy we follow. So we filtered. हमको cream चाहिए. We actually look for filter. Otherwise, we bluntly say no. I'm sorry, we can't take this in. I don't want to spoil the system. It's very interesting. You should follow our this. And yes, I'm giving you less to talk and more I'm talking because
that's exactly what I want.
I have made everything with child. Yeah, I have done everything with, you know, putting child's pain, me as a child, me as a parent, me as a teacher, me as a head. So everyone's role is different. How do I connect all together is what I sit and do. If this is the situation, you know, it's a struggle with me and myself. Agar ye situation hai, how will I deal as a person? How will I deal as a child? How will I deal as a, you know, what is the child's perception towards it? What was the teacher's perception? What was the parent's perception? What should be the head perception? So every perception will differ. And how do we handle it? Yeah, how do we handle it in a balanced form, in a right form, is what always I try to do. I will never give a solution in one day. इसने ऐसा किया है, इसको ऐसे करो. I will not do that. इसने ऐसा किया है ना, let me understand ऐसा क्यों किया है. What is the cause? No one will do anything without cause. ऐसे ही कर लिया, ऐसे भी कर लिया, तो वो ऐसे में भी क्या cause था? मस्ती में कर लिया, मस्ती मूड था. Sometimes you happen to say anything. You know, sometimes ऐसे tongue twisters भी मजा आते हैं. तो you just happen to say ऐसा कुछ करना, तो मजा आता है. But वो मजा कल भी आएगा, जरूरी है क्या? नहीं आएगा. If the child is repeating it again and again, then there is a challenge. Now, you know, in my experience, a child gets a card saying the child was laughing, giggling in the class. When you give a lesson that you should be happy, giggling is a form of happiness. And how do you know the child was giggling? How do you know the child was giggling at you? But teacher perceived it like this. When I was teaching, the child was giggling. You never know, there's someone who must have tickled him from down here, there side. Or there's something that is really making him or her giggle. But that's not the reason. You giggle with the child and say, okay, that is done. Let's come back to the class. I assure you the child will come back to the class. That's my assurance. If the child is giggling and you complain, then there's problem with the teacher, not with the child. Giggle हो रहा है, मजा आ रही है, लगता है ताप्ती आपको बहुत मजा आ रही है, बात क्या है? Something you are enjoying alone in the class. No ma'am, no ma'am. Are you with me? Yes ma'am. Okay, then shall we start? Child is with you. You spoil your class. You take the child to the principal, to the coordinator. You give the child, you call for the parents. Why? Because the child was giggling. यार class में बैठ के सब रोते ही रहो. Don't have smile. Just don't have smile in class when teacher is teaching. Don't respond. Will the teacher feel good? So all these instances, all these examples are like, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, गलत है, गलत है, गलत है, पर होता है, होता है, होता है. ये सब बंद करो, ये सब चेंज करो, प्लीज टीचर्स, प्लीज पेरेंट्स. बच्चे बच्चे हैं, और से भी सच्चे हैं वो. Children are different. Children are God. ये हम सब हमेशा मानते रहे. Children are God. Children are God. But what are we teaching them? We are teaching to manipulate. Why? Because we manipulate. We are teaching them to steal eyes. Why? Because we do that. And children can make out. झूठ बोल रही है मैडम. I can tell you. अगर वो भगवान है तो वो पहचान जाते हैं. वो भगवान है, वो पहचान जाते हैं कि हम झूठ बोल रहे हैं. So it's like this, you know. So yeah. Politics. अरे दिखता है मैम, today you're not. Yes, I am not very happy today. Children, come and talk. This is my personal experience. So really, I'm not very happy today. Why, ma'am? I said, I can't share, but I'm really not happy today. Somebody told me something. Arey, ma'am, if somebody has told you something, no, just ignore. This is something that I learned from my children. Okay, ignored. Delete it. And I'm happy again. So children teach you. It's very simple formula. Just ignore. हम उसको पकड़ के बैठे हैं. Why? Because we are adult. So learn from children. Forget. फिर सुबह हो जाती है. Again they start giggling. They come to the same class, sit in the same teacher's class, remembering कि कल मैं giggle कर रहा था, इसलिए टीचर ने मुझे निकाला. Again the child start giggling. Why? Because the child is going back and remembering that. So the child said, again the child was giggling. अरे leave it. It's okay. अच्छा खुश है ना? हाँ, अगर वो रो रहा है तो then you stop everything and try to understand the pain. क्यों रो रहा है? क्या दुख है? But child giggling है, इसलिए तुम परेशान हो रहे हो तो फिर क्या क्लास होगी आपकी? I'm sorry. Ma'am, you need to be a teacher first and then come to the class. I would say that. Content knowledge is not very important. You can get it anyways, you know. Wikipedia पे, encyclopedia में, open to YouTube and you will get. Why it is coming through you? Because it has to have human touch. Something to receive. Unless until you don't trust your teacher, you are not ready to receive. तो वो होना चाहिए. वो होना है. बाकी पढ़ना, virtual, home schooling सब हो रहा है. Schooling बहुत बड़ा या knowledge देना बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है. It's very, very simple. You should tell children, you should show them technique of how to take few things. When you read something, what do you take from it is something that you should teach them as a physical school teacher. Otherwise, they will read and they'll know what to do and what to do. They remember more numbers, you know, their memory is sharper than us. So once you tell them, you forget because you have taught. But they will not forget. They will exactly tell you, ma'am, it is 512. Or they will tell you 207 bones, 209 bones. You read it, you said it, you are done. But they will remember. Their memory is sharper than us. In that case, they are our teacher. If teacher is that definition, that memory shows or content knowledge shows that that's a teacher, then children are more knowledgeable.
I think
Very,
this
very
is an
knowledgeable.
approach where uh, a lot of us falter in, identifying how a profession should go forward, or identifying how exactly uh,
Right.
the reason, in fact, it's funny you should say that. The reason why uh, youngsters these days are facing issues with unemployment and whatnot, and घर पे बैठा हूँ कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, when you actually go to their houses and you look into their rooms, they have like walls full of paintings, or they have notebooks full of write-ups, or they have some music creations that they have done, and people are so brilliant, so talented, and it's shocking to realize that there's no channel to support this. There's only this
Exactly.
conventional method that we are following कि अच्छा ठीक है, ये करना है, A लिखना है, फिर B लिखना है, फिर ऐसे करना है, फिर वैसे करना है. So this machinery that we go through, right, to become a
Yeah.
machine ourselves, I think this needs to change, like you rightly said.
Yes,
And
yes, then only the education system will change.
yeah,
We need to change. Then only we need not approach the education minister to change the education system. We can do in groups. I don't want to go and change the education system. I'm not saying that don't have Pythagoras theorem or don't have trigonometry. I am not asking for that. I am asking for change in the perception of a teacher. I am asking for change in the methodology and understanding or sensitizing teacher. That will definitely change. Why these generation, then you find, "Arey, ye generation alag hai." Let go attitude. Why let go attitude? Because this is something that they have learned through observation. Whom did they observe? Parents or teachers? When they have learned something from parents and teachers, they have also learned this from parents and teachers. Let go. यानी से जनरेशन बहुत बदल गया है. किसने बदला? आपने आपके बच्चों को टॉयलेट ट्रेन किया, राइट? उसके बाद आपने उनको कमोड पे कैसे बैठना है, हाउ टू यूज वॉशरूम, हाउ टू swipe and keep the bathroom dry. Did you ever teach that? You had a maid to do that. How would the child know? Why?
absolutely.
You have spoken about curiosity in life skills. You have spoken about mannerism in life skill. What about practical knowledge? But don't touch that. Didi will do it, You never allowed your child to take her after and clean the bathroom.
Correct.
You never allowed your child to play with mud, saying it's not good. Don't touch this. आप क्या मौसी हो क्या? So when you have, it's a very simple example. When my daughter called friends for just sit and chat and have some snacks. So I gave, and she started cleaning the table. My daughter started cleaning the table because my principles are so. Maushi ka kaam karegi, but you have to clean whatever. So they take their own food, they sit, they ate. Then the daughter told my younger one, now you clean the table. Uski friend ne fat karke bola, kyun wo tumhare ghar ki maushi hai kya? That is where I had to sit with that child for an hour and say, कि बेटा ऐसे नहीं होता है. Then she got nice. And मौसी है means what? You never taught, parents never taught कि मौसी क्या होती है या किस लिए होती है. And then you expect the child to do that? ऐसा नहीं होता है. मुश्किल है. ऐसे ही आ जाना मुश्किल है. बिना सिखाए आ जाना मुश्किल है. Teach them. In a life skill we don't have. Yeah, in a life skill we don't have curiosity कैसे ये करना है, helpful nature कैसा है, we do have it, but to practical knowledge we actually showed them how to clean the table, we actually showed bathrooms clean, we actually showed them demonstrated how to clean the tap, how to hang the towel and napkin, how to keep your plates in the basin. And this future school also where everyone does that. अपना अपना खाया, after tiffin they go, they keep everything together. That is life skill. Otherwise, life skill is only in books. Then why it is life skill? It is not life skill. It is like another class of English where you know the story and forget it. Answer few question answers and then forget it. So that's not life skill. I will not call this as life skill. Life skill is something that you practice in your daily life. How to handle emotions. किसने सिखाया? लड़के रो नहीं सकते.
हेलो मैम, आप पॉज हो गए हो. हेलो. हाँ जी.
ऐसा है. देखो बहुत कुछ है. I know I'm giving you less opportunity to talk, but yes, मेरे दर्द बहुत है.
This actually reminds me of something
Let's
that I
see what
read.
we can do.
ये काफी
There are
मैंने
many examples.
ये मैंने काफी पहले पढ़ा था कहीं पे कि there was this first interaction of a class with the new teacher, and the teacher ended up giving a few questions to the class, saying ki each of the question carries some marks and those marks will eventually be credited to your final grade. So think about it and answer the questions. 5 questions there, each for some 10 marks or so. And there was question 1 about something technical, question 2 about something technical, question 3 about something technical, question 4, and finally the question 5 was, what is the name of the cleaner that cleans this class every day? It's the same cleaner that cleans the class every day. Everybody was able to answer the first 4 questions and everyone got stuck on the 5th one. Nobody knew the name of the cleaner who used to clean the class every day. And सबने सबमिट किया पेपर एंड उन्होंने प्रोफेसर से पूछा कि सर ये जो आपने क्वेश्चंस दिए थे लास्ट क्वेश्चन पे कितना वेटेज है. तो उन्होंने बोला कि जितना वेटेज बाकी 4 क्वेश्चंस पे सेम वेटेज है. क्यों? तो they were like, did it really count, this question, if we answer or don't answer, does it really matter? And he said yes, and he went on to explain how every single person at every single hello can you hear me, ma'am? Hello.
Yeah, now I can.
I can't see you.
Yes, but your screen is frozen. I can hear you. Sure. There's some connection network problem at your end,
Yeah, there's a lot of network problem at my end. And the thing is, I don't want to shift on data because that will cause more of an issue.
No, this is showing full connection. The range is full here.
The range is full here as well, but it's an issue. Anyway, so as I was saying, this professor goes on to lecture the class that how every person in their life, does not matter the position, does not matter the place, will make a change in your life. And all you can give them back with, or the basic respect you can give them is to know who they really are. And this writer who had submitted this post said that I learned a very important lesson that day, that you shouldn't treat anybody for anything that they are. You should treat everybody with respect. And that the name of the maid was Hanji ma'am. Just give me 1 minute, I'll try to connect to my data. Is it any better, ma'am?
I can hear you, but I can't see you, dear. Now I can see you.
You can see me? Great.
Yeah.
So this writer says that I learned the importance of treating everybody with respect. And I also learned that day that the cleaner who cleans the class, her name was Dorothy.
Okay.
And it was such a touching post to me. I remember, posting it everywhere, and every time I come across it, I post it and reblog it. And it's all about equity, if you ask me. It's not even about equality. It's equity. It's, you cannot give everybody the same length of the ladder to climb the wall and look at the, match going on in the field. You have to adjust to everybody's needs. You have to compromise to everybody's needs. You have to customize and, mold yourself in a way that...
Yeah, customize. Yes. That's what I meant. You don't have a frame where you have to fix every child. Idhar se niklo par ho gaye, idhar se niklo par ho gaye. You can't have. Holistic development is not about that. If I'm not interested in spirituality, how will you take me to spirituality? Is holistic development. If I'm not interested in physical development, how as a teacher you will divert or incline my interest towards physical? This is about holistic development of a child. You cannot have holistic development of the class. You have to have of a child. So yes, there are many interesting topics. I take workshops on how to teach maths concept, phonics, how to write, initiate writing, what is the right way of holding pencil, how do you prepare the child, readiness for writing. My parent, my only trust is a fantastic topic. New age parenting is another topic. Handwriting is the one where I can give workshop on, where children are not interested in writing. So handwriting is a workshop for first grader, second grader, third grader, fourth grader. And handwriting workshop is also for parents, for them to understand to write is not very easy. Not very easy. Right? So when I was a child, maybe till college, I knew till table 20 or 21, you can say. Later or 22 also was very simple. Later I did not learn any table. But today when you tell me to multiply 6 into 8 or 16 into 8, I will use my mobile or calculator to do that. I will not use my megabytes. I will not use that. Children are also going to do that same.
Correct.
So teach them the techniques of learning tables and not how to memorize it. So rote learning over conceptual learning is something that we practice in our school. So we are not doing anything rote learning. Concept learning is something that we are doing. Experiential learning is something we do. Applicable based learning, and we integrate subjects. We integrate it. Practical based learning is happening in our school. And children are blooming beautifully. Beautifully they are blooming. We look, ek, I understand ye ek jo hai. Sadhu Vaswani ek. Sai Baba ek. This one will bring the change. 1-to-1 will bring the change. Right? I am talking to you. We are 1-to-1. Now I am looking that you will spread it to another one. I will spread it to another one. And that's how the radioactive things will spread. And then there will be a blast.
Correct.
Right? So this is a science. Mujhe wo blast chahiye. There will be a change. And when I say explosion, that blast is the change that we need. It's all 1-to-1. Ek hi jan. Try for one. The power of one is the formula, is the principle. एक की कोशिश करो. एक से क्या बदलेगा? अरे एक नहीं बदलेगा तो कैसे बदलेगा? एक बदलेगा तब दूसरा बदलेगा. दूसरा बदलेगा तब तीसरा बदलेगा. And so, as you said, we don't believe in marketing things. We believe in mouth publicity. We believe in, public. Yes, but public speaking वगैरह ऐसा now ये formula चल ही नहीं रहा. It is more of virtual. It is more of online.
Absolutely.
It's more of Facebook. तो चलो वही भाषा में बोलो जिस भाषा में लोग आज समझे. So let's go through this. That's our main interest. But लोग देखे तो सही, they recognize तो करे हमको कि हम हैं. I am sure people will reflect. And nothing. When I say I don't compare, I will never compare anything. I will never compare. How can you compare? No comparison means no comparison. You cannot have black. You can have black and white. Gray kitna gray hai, you don't know, right? For you the gray may be still gray. For me it will be light gray, silver gray. So how will you justify that? वो नहीं हो सकता. ब्लैक है तो सबके लिए ब्लैक है, और डीप में जाओ तो ब्लैक के भी शेड्स होते हैं, व्हाइट के भी शेड्स होते हैं. बट यस, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट बस समझ में आता है. ग्रे कितना ग्रे होना चाहिए, मुश्किल हो जाता है. So gray के इसमें you can't work in a team. There shouldn't be gray. There should be black or there should be white. There shouldn't be gray, because it's again my perception. जो मेरे लिए ज्यादा है शायद वो आपके लिए कम है.
Correct.
Right? और जो आपके लिए कम है शायद वो मेरे लिए बहुत ज्यादा है.
Correct.
So you never know ज्यादा क्या है और कम क्या है. Yes, but thanks for having a patient ears. मुझे बोलो तो मैं पूरा दिन बोल सकती हूँ, because ये मेरा passion है, ये मेरा दर्द है. I want to spread it. I just want to spread it. I am looking forward for you to give me an opportunity where I can interact. Definitely, this is not time constraint, so I have taken a lot. But if you give me that time slot, I think I will fix to that, and I only give the highlights, which will start bringing change. Again, I'm saying if only one teacher is willing to take that change, I am willing to sit with that teacher and bring that change. I don't want a group if there is not a group, but one passionate teacher who's ready to hear me and says that, it is so convincing, I will start practicing. I am happy. I am happy with that one.
Any questions that you have, ma'am?
I still want to know that what is your further plans for this group, other than binding or combining teachers together? Is there anything that you plan, maybe once we are done with this pandemic, where you invite teachers and we interact with each other, or do you have a plan where you organize a function as such where teachers are there to come and share their experience, and somebody to take something home saying, yes, I have learned something like this in the workshop, or through that experience I can practice this? Or is there something where you plan to have a group where passionate teachers like me can approach other schools and talk about our experience to bring these schools, to bring that change in the system of education, and something like this? Do you all plan, or is it just a platform where you come and you express what you are doing?
So why TeachSmart has started as a virtual platform is because we are trying to reach teachers all over the nation, not just, it's not a regional thing. If it were a regional thing, however, it would have been more like, there can be conferences, there can be meetups, there can be, workshops that are live, etc. But because we wanted to reach a, higher audience, more audience, and we wanted to basically, I think the fundamental goal that we have currently as a short-term goal, not a long-term goal, is that to develop products that kind of resolve the pain points of teachers, and one of the first pain points that we found, like that we observed for a lot of teachers in this age, in this era rather, because of the pandemic, is that a lot of teachers are still depending on conventional, traditional methods to grow their passion or to grow their numbers. You have to realize that if I am a parent or if I am a student, right, and if I have a list of teachers with their numbers written on it, I'm not going to go through the pain of saving the numbers, calling them up, telling them, then asking around ki acha ye teacher achhi hai ki nahi, or this is the person that I'm looking forward to, is that, or looking for credentials, basically looking for testimonies. So one of the first things that we are planning to do with this group is that to make a product which helps teachers build a website within 5 minutes by simply answering a few questions. Okay, this will not just help teachers. It's very simple, ma'am. It's just I will not have the time to sit and go through a process of learning कि मैं वेबसाइट कैसे बनाऊं या मैं किसी को अरेंज करूं कि भाई तुम मेरे लिए वेबसाइट बनाओ. अच्छा, फिर वो बनाएगा. He will make it with his own mentality. He will make it with his own sensibility. It will not probably be to my choice or to my liking. Then उसमें changes करो. So this is something that I can begin with on my own, and then I can customize it according to how I wish. I can add testimonies from parents, I can add testimonies from children, I can add my own credentials, I can write in कि कितना मैंने कहाँ experience है मेरा वगैरह वगैरह. So this is one of the first things that we have found out. Now, as and when we move forward, like the webinars that we have engaged the teachers with, they've been basic webinars, like online teaching tools. It has been about what tech tools are going right now. They're in this era, which are the tech tools which are helping teachers right now do their classes well, which are helping teachers interact with their students. Because as and when this pandemic is going to change the course of time drastically, many children are not going to know what offline teaching is all about. They are only going to be accustomed to online teaching. Then for them, offline teaching will be what online teaching to us right now is. It will be a totally different world to touch pages and to sit in class, to understand what a human touch feels like, or to understand कि अच्छा अभी तो मैं कैमरा के पीछे नहीं हूँ. Now I have to get ready for school. I have to go there. I have to be in somebody's presence 24/7. So it's going to change the course of time, like I said. It's going to, and keeping that in mind, keeping that vision in mind, we are trying to make this as easy for the other side of the table as we can. Because students, if they are accustomed to it from the beginning, it's easier for them to catch up. But for teachers who have not been accustomed to this, or who are still following a traditional method, or who are still comfortable with ठीक है, the parent will talk about me, or the teacher will talk about me, so we are trying to get them to make this as simple, as easy, and a process for them as we can. So our fundamental goal is to solve pain points through technology right now. Now, if this goes further, let's say it's beyond the pandemic, and there are social gatherings, and if we have the kind of request and demand at that particular time, then we will be more than happy to arrange for regional meetups. If this group becomes that big, hopefully, and if it goes to that level, of course, and if we have demand, we will love to have regional meetups. We would love to have regional workshops. It's only a matter of time, I think. We just need to expand. We need to know what the demand from the audience is, because if there is no demand and we still go ahead and do it, and if there's only 2-3 people attending it, then it doesn't make sense.
That's not nice.
Yeah,
not required.
So that is what we are actually encouraging teachers, that if you want to come forward, if you want to share your journey, go ahead, share your journey. But कैसे हो जाता है ना आजकल, what I'm noticing on the group also, what I'm noticing otherwise also, if I go through other teacher pages, is that teachers constantly only want to promote themselves, only want to increase the number of students, only want to, and rightly so, it's not a wrong thing to do, to grow your passion or to grow your business. It's not a wrong thing to do at all, but it's just very tedious to think that every day I'm sitting in front of my phone and I'm trying to forward my poster to 10 groups, and I'm doing that every day. There has to be some change in the routine. There has to be something that, okay, you know what, teachers, take a break, think about yourself. This is how you can do something better, or this is how your life can be better, or this is how. So we are trying to take that route and kind of walk into teachers' hearts and minds and tell them that we can make your life simpler. And that is what we wish to do. We wish to make it as simple as it is for the teachers, by the teachers, So that is
no, it's needed. It's needed because see, we cannot think beyond that. Teachers will not think beyond that. But पर्दे के पीछे भी बहुत कुछ अच्छा है. So we are able to only do numbers, our passion, our teaching, our business. But uske beyond kya? It's uske beyond. It is you, right? So it's really nice that teacher will know themselves. Once they put a video, then they will know कि अरे क्या बताए अपने बारे में. तो वो introspection होगा. They will again feel charged. That's another way of charging them.
Correct.
So they are all charged, and then they realize. So last year I was not the same that I am today. So every year, every day, I am also growing as a person. Okay. So when I did my B.Ed, I had a different understanding. Today, when I come and sit on this chair, my understanding is totally different. So every day your experience, but that needs reflection, definitely needs introspection. Why can't you sit back just 5 minutes or 10 minutes? That's called meditation. Meditation is just being blank and thinking nothing. Think, you can sit and you can reflect. You think, what are you? Who are you inside? What you really want? That is when, that will make you more happier. But business hai, kitne log mile, is group se mujhe kya fayda hoga, ye kya hoga? Because now the understanding is same. If you are promoting, if you are into some WhatsApp group, you are there to promote your business.
Correct.
Very soon, then once you have number of 100 and 150, then your promotion will also be charged, right? So you have to pay probably 200 rupees or 100 rupees or 300
so while
rupees
it is free, I'll do
yourself,
it. Absolutely. Yeah.
So children, teachers will only think that. But again, you said it's not wrong. Definitely not wrong. But क्या उसी के लिए है क्या?
Exactly.
कितना चलेगा? बार-बार वही देखिए, you will get कि चलो now. See now after some time when we see same ad, no, you scroll up. You don't even read कि उसमें अगर कुछ अलग sentence भी डाला गया है. You don't read. You say, अच्छा, that's calligraphy. Come on, that's about this art and craft. चलो dance. This teacher, no. अब तो वो उसको भी balance is very important. So have balance of it. Promote it. Promotion is good. It's not wrong. But yes, when teachers come together, when the team is there, my only being a part of this group is to bring change in the system. Not about evaluation, not about examination, not about curriculum, but how do you put forth? Be a facilitator, be an awakener, and not a teacher. Is what I would like to put forth. कि I want to awake. कि नहीं हम ये काम करने के लिए, हम ये काम करने के लिए नहीं. Why would I do when they are paid so less? Come on, mothers are never paid. At least you all are paid. You all are second mother, right? So you all are at least paid something. क्या करे? This profession comes. Now motherhood, when you are doing motherhood, are you paid for giving birth to a child? Are you paid? You are not paid. You are doing so many things for your children. Are you paid? No. Thankless job. Bin paise ki maid. Thankless. But you are mother. You enjoy that. Similarly, don't argue on the payment. That is a passion. You have opted for it. You wanted to be a teacher. So you are a teacher. When we have passionate teachers, things will change. 360. Things will change. But here, कुछ नहीं था इसलिए टीचर बने. अब टीचर बने इंस्ट्रक्शन देने के लिए बने. टीचर बने because my content knowledge is good. I have achieved so and so degrees and so I am a teacher now. I can teach. So different concepts. These concepts should change. Teachers are mothers and mothers have no conditions. Just acceptance. ले लो. So only acceptance. आपको बच्चा भगवान ने ऐसा दिया है. The child has come to this world through you. The child has not come to reflect you. The child has come through you. Genetics, ठीक है, the features may be same, but personality cannot be same. If the personality is same, then you think कि mother ने बहुत सख्त बच्चे को बड़ा किया है. When you see mother and child same, no, then there is no beauty in upbringing the child. If your looks may be same, but you are a different identity and this child is a different personality, then there's a beauty. The grooming of child is more, the nurturing of child is more interesting. So yes, teachers should come, of course, put forth. Calligraphy अच्छी है. These all things are very good. Art and craft, equal weightage. Sports, equal weightage. Extra curriculum क्या होता है? Part of a curriculum. Co-scholastic activity. Come on. अगर co-scholastic activity है, तो फिर you won't have good players.
Correct.
So it is give and take जैसा. सब कुछ सब होना चाहिए. Holistic development of a child. So that should be there. Well, as I told you, I can talk and I enjoy talking, but I want to bring change. How can you all help me? I don't know, but yes, even if one changes, and then I think that I'm done. I'm fine. One on one. बस थोड़ा सा sensitize करना है मुझे कि teachers mother बनो, please be. The school is not paying me so much. Arey, then why do you punish that child who is now your responsibility? Just because school is not paying you. The agreement is paid by you and the management. Why the child should suffer? Commit. Your commitment, you claim that that is my responsibility. This child is my responsibility. These children are my responsibility. Management different. क्योंकि मुझे सास पे गुस्सा आता है, क्या हम बच्चों पे निकालते हैं? क्या नहीं निकालते हैं, और अगर निकालते हैं तो गलती करते हैं. तो उसी तरह से if you are not happy with management, don't ill treat your children, the class children. Please don't ill treat them. You give them 100%, more than 100%, but deal the management differently. Then you are allowed to leave that and go to the next school or anywhere where you are satisfied. You should have a satisfied staff or teachers who are happy. When they are happy, then only children will be happy. As I said, you can't give anything that you don't have. So you be happy, and then children will be happy. Khushi khushi hogi class mein. Or ultimate, what is the ultimate goal of life? To be in the state of anandam, happiness. Ultimate goal of life, moksha is what? To be in the state of anandam. And that anand is not there, then why are we living even a second? We are not living. We are dying each second. So when you hear spirituality, you don't say you'll see, they are telling you to live each and each second. But what we are doing, every second is dying. Be God fearing. Why not God loving? Change the concept. Be God loving. Live every second. Power of now. अब ऐसे करेगा तो बाद में क्या करेगा? अरे अभी ठीक नहीं करेगा तो बाद में ठीक कैसे होगा? The present is shaping your future. You can't shape your future just screwing up your present. नहीं, you shape your present first. 5 साल बाद क्या होगा वो जरूरी नहीं है. इस साल तो तुम कर लो. Do it right now. So that should be there. और ये once it is here, no, then it is very easy. Then you can't cheat yourself. Your conscience will make you feel guilty. हम ये क्या कर रहे हैं? So we have to sensitize. We have to sensitize teachers. किसी ने बताया नहीं ना, इसलिए वो सोचा भी नहीं. जब बता देंगे तो I am sure teachers will think.
Absolutely. Ma'am, my next question to you is, what is your life mantra?
My life mantra: to spread happiness and be happy. Power of now. Live in present. Live in present. क्या करते हैं? You go. इसके बाद क्या? मैं गाड़ी लूंगी. उसके बाद क्या है? मैं हेलीकॉप्टर लूंगी. उसके बाद क्या है? मैं इस पे रॉकेट लूंगी. उसके बाद क्या है? मैं और फिर मैं खुश हो जाऊंगी. अरे मैं अभी खुश हूँ. I am rich. मैं what I don't want. I am happy. So be happy. Be happy. That's my life mantra. Always be happy. And I mean it. ऐसा हुआ कोई बात नहीं. Next. Okay. And I also believe कोई भी problem, any problem. If problems are 100, solutions are 1,000. What you need to know is how do you fix your problem with n number of solutions? Then there is no problem. And still, if there is a problem, probably you're not looking for a solution.
Correct. Ma'am, any message, any special advice for our audience who will be watching this later?
Special advice? I want every parent, or in fact, every human, to read about child psychology, to understand self better and also to understand human better. And practice only one religion, and that is humanity. That is humanity. Humanity is being described in different words in different religion. Hinduism में भी humanity बताया गया है, Muslim में भी humanity बताया है, Sikh में भी. So practice humanity. Humanity is very, very simple. Very simple religion. कोई भेद नहीं, कोई भाव नहीं. Just practice humanity. Read about child psychology. Be a good human. Automatically you will be a good teacher, automatically you will be a good doctor, you will be a good parent, you will be a good colleague, you will be a good sibling. You need not have to go through many books of spirituality to make you feel good.
Correct. Any questions that you have, ma'am?
No, I'm happy the way this is growing. I want and I wish that the teacher community, the facilitators community grow. We have few parents coming and interacting and volunteering for teachers, saying that, yes, we can bring change in the world. And we are the nation builder. I will not deny this fact. अगर नेशन में करप्शन है तो टीचर्स ने सिखाया नहीं कि करप्शन क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए. यही बच्चे जो आज नेता बने हैं, they have seen politics in every school, at home, and so they are practicing. If they have seen corruption, if they are practicing corruption, they have seen corruption at home, they have seen corruption in the neighborhood, they have seen corruption in the surrounding, and so they are practicing. आज के नेता कल के बच्चे थे. This is the fact. तो आज के बच्चे कल के नेता जरूर बनेंगे. तो come on, it's time to wake up. It's time to change, and change will not happen in a day or in one night. All of that day, change has to go through a course. Let's start. Let us start now. Let us commit. Let us claim and not blame.
It's very well said, ma'am. So thank you so much for giving me the honor of
Thank you.
Going on a date with you, even though it's virtual. हो सकता तो पुणे आ जाती, but हो नहीं पाएगा अभी. And
I would have traveled to you.
अभी मुंबई में भी लॉकडाउन शुरू करेंगे शायद, पता नहीं. Hello? Am I audible, ma'am?
Very sad, yeah. Yes, you are audible. Lockdown शुरू होगा, you said. हाँ, मुश्किल है, क्या करें?
ठीक है, ma'am.
पर कोई बात नहीं. We will fight through this.
Yeah, absolutely.
Things will be fine.
We have to. So, ma'am, I'll see you again.
Everything will be fine. Absolutely. Sure. I would love to.
Thank you
for giving your patient ears.
So I'll see you again when we collaborate next, which we will, and I'll give you the details for it. And thank you so much, ma'am. This has been a very enlightening.
Thanks to you.
Very enlightening, very game-changing date, I must say. I've not been on a date since a very long time. So thank you so much, and I will see you soon.
Thank you, Tapti.
Bye, ma'am.
Sure. Would be waiting for you. Thanks for giving a patient ears, and thanks to understanding and resonating whatever I said. It's very convincing. So I got connected with you now. I'm
Yes.
in love with you now.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.